All right, we're gonna do a flip-flop. My boy, 6 years old boy, wanted to do some electronic stuff, and I said, okay, let's do it. And I got this diagram. It's one of the simplest one using 555 oscillator, as far as I know. It works with two transistors inside. If there is a value on one transistor, it opens the gate and then turns the light on. If that one is 1, then the other one becomes 0, and the light is gonna be off for the other transistor. And if the first one is 0, so the second one is gonna be automatically 1 and run the other light LED. So it's pretty simple circuit diagram. So far I did this much, and that's this on the top right is the first leg, and the second, third, fourth, and the bottom left is fifth, sixth, seventh, and top left is eighth leg. And to do this, as you see here, 6 and 2 is gonna be short circuit, and that's what we did, 2 and 6. And from 6 to 7 there's 150k kilo ohm. And yeah, in here, if you look at it, from 6 to 7 there's 150k. So if you bend it this way using directly the resistor, it's gonna be easier instead of using other cables. It's simple, you know, like bending. It's giving you plenty area to play with. So that after I connected that one, and if you look at here, there is 1 kilo ohm resistor attached to the leg 7 along with 150k, and then that goes to leg 8. And if we look at in here in the circuit, yeah, so then one end is attached to between 1k, 150k and the leg 7, and the other end attached to the leg 8. And I didn't cut the rest of the wire. I just bend it nicely, so I know that it's gonna keep going to this way to 390 ohms and the leg 4. And yeah, I'm at that level, and this is gonna be the first part of the video. Yeah, I attached this 390 ohm to the leg 4, and now I'm going to bend that. I'm going to bend from here towards upward, so I'm going to connect to this open wire. So I have to connect this part to this end, because this end is gonna go to the LED. As you see, now from leg 4 to this end, we made the connection with the same wire we used from the resistor. And again, this end is gonna go to the LED. Yes, we connected the negative side of the LED to the 390 ohm resistor, and the other end to the third leg. Now we're gonna attach the other LED to the same third leg. Now we attach the green LED's positive side to red LED's negative side, as well as the leg number 3. And now we're gonna attach the negative side of the green LED to the other 390 ohm 390 ohm resistor, and that's gonna be attached to 0.001 unifarad condensator. Let's take a look at the diagram again. Yeah, it is 0.001 unifarad. That's a condensator. It's pretty much, it is this one, the one. It's not the capacitor. I think this is also a capacitor, but I know that it's also called condensator or something like that. But this is what we are going to be attaching right here, and that's going to be attached to 390 ohm, and 390 ohm is going to attach to the negative side of the LED, the green LED. First, I added this 0.001 unifarad capacitor to the leg number 5. Yes, now we attach the negative side of the green LED to 390 ohm resistor and 390 ohm resistor attached to the 0.001 unifarad capacitor, and that is also attached the leg number 5. Now what we're going to do is we kind of started from this side, from this leg 2 to 6, and we just went through all these things. Now we came all the way there. Now we are right here. So at this point, now we're going that way. Now it says connect the middle of the area between the capacitor and 390 ohm resistor to the leg 1, as well as the electronic capacitor, 10 unifarad electrical capacitor. I believe that's how it is called, C1. So the negative side is going to be different, the negative side of that. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Let's go ahead and do now the leg 1. So this one is gonna be a little bit difficult because leg 1 is on the top right corner on my view in here. So that is the leg 1, and we are right here. So we're gonna connect this area with the leg 1, so that I have to do it smartly so that my boy wouldn't make it shortcut. Or also I gotta do some seal in here too, because I don't want this leg of LED touching to this connection. So I have to definitely do some hot glue seal, probably that should do it. And now let's go ahead and do this connection. Now we connected the leg 1 with this white cable, so kind of isolation, to the capacitor and 390 ohm resistor, and from that area we connected this connection to negative side of the 10 unifarad capacitors, negative leg, and that goes to negative cable. So now we're gonna connect red and white to 9-volt battery, and we'll see if there's a flip-flop. All right, now let's test it. Now my boy is holding the phone. Just stay steady. Just hold it steady. Okay, now let's put it in a 9-volt battery and test it. Okay, it looks like it did switch once.
I see it.
Okay, hold on. Let's do one more time. Green, red. It switches from green to red, but it doesn't come back. Okay, I'll investigate this. It looks like everything is connected properly. I'm looking at the diagram, and this positive cable I mean, on the diagram there's a switch, but positive cable actually is not, it definitely needs to touch the leg 8. In this case, it's not touching the leg 8. There is a resistor in between, so I think I need to unsolder this from here and solder it directly to the leg 8. Let's do that. Now I switched that the positive cable from this edge, which was wrong, and put it in right here. It has a now direct connection to the IC's leg 8, and also I connected to the negative cable to the 9-volt battery's negative side. Now let's touch the positive, and let's see what happens. There you go. Wow. There you go. That's flip-flop. Yeah, we did it. That's it. Okay, now we sealed it a little bit with a hot glue because I mean it's for my boy. He's gonna play, so I didn't want to put it in a box. Instead, I dropped some hot glue, and it works fine. It stabilizes really good. I think it's gonna last for a while. But okay, go ahead and try. Oh yeah. So it's good.
My teeth.
Flip flop is working. Okay, that's good.